a sky where the moonbeams glow lives a star named Sparkly, twinkling below. With a wink and a giggle she shines so bright, guiding brave dreamers through the magical night. Twinkle, twinkle, sparkly star, take us on an adventures near and far. With a sprinkle of stardust and a dash of cheer, let's explore the wonders we hold so dear. Through candy cane forests and rivers of cream, we'll dance with the fairies and float on a dream. With laughter like bubbles and friends by our side, we'll journey together on a sparkly ride. Twinkle, twinkle, sparkly star, take us on an adventures near and far. With a sprinkle of stardust and a dash of cheer, let's explore the wonders we hold so dear. When the sun starts to rise and the night fades away, we'll wave to Sparkly till another day. With hearts full of joy and a wish in our heart, we'll dream of the magic and never depart. Twinkle, twinkle, sparkly star, take us on an adventures near and far. With a sprinkle of stardust and a dash of cheer, let's explore the wonders we hold so dear.